Hello, children. This is our English literature class. Children, today we are going to read and understand this chapter 18, Droid's Toys. Today we will complete the exercise of this chapter also. So, first, let's read the story. Open your book at page number 75. Roy's Toys. Roy is a boy with many toys. Roy has a toy train. Roy has a toy lorry. Roy has many toy cars. Roy has a big yellow drum. Roy has a funny puppet with a big head and small eyes. Roy has a puzzle. Roy has many other toys. Roy enjoys his toys, but he does not let others play with his toys. One day, Roy met some boys. Mickey, Andy, and Ray came to play. So, children, so far in this story, we have seen that Roy is a boy who has many toys: toy train, toy lorry, cars, drum, puzzle, puppet, and so many other toys. He likes to play with his toys, but he doesn't like to share his toys with his friends. Let's see what happened next. Roy said, "Let's play hide and seek." "Can I play your drum?" said Andy. "No," said Roy. "Let's play hide and seek." So, children, Andy wants to play with Roy's drum, but Roy doesn't want to give him his drum. He wants to play hide and seek. "Can we play with your car?" said Mickey. "No," said Roy. "Can we play with your lorry?" said Ray. "No," said Roy. "I want to play hide and seek." The boys were sad. Roy did not let them play with his toys. "Okay," they said. "Let's play hide and seek." Roy was happy. So, children, we can see Roy was happy because he did not want to give his toys to his friends, and he repeatedly said that he wants to play hide and seek. "Now you can look for us," said Andy. Roy shut his eyes. The boys ran and hid. Roy looked here and there. Roy did not find the boys. Roy began to cry. The boys came back. "Why are you crying?" asked Andy. Oh boy," said Ray. Cry baby," said Mickey. "Now, can we play with your toys?" asked the boys. "No, they are my toys," said Roy. "Okay," said the boys. "We may come by some day when you are ready to play." Ready to play with the toys. Okay? And they all ran away. Roy was sad. Now Roy shares his toys. His pals means good friend. His pals come to play every day. They play with his toys. Roy is happy. So, children, you can see at first Roy did not want to give his toys, share his toys, his things with his friends, but one day, so his friends ran away and did not want to play with him. So he became sad, and at last he realized that sharing is good, and if he shares his toys, then the friends, then the boys, other boys will play with him. So in this way he learned to share his things, and the boys, his friends, come again to play with him. Okay, so this is the story, small story. We learn from this story that sharing is good. Now exercise. Question answers. Question number 1. What toys does Roy have? So children, in this story we have read that Roy has many toys. So write their names in this answer, in your answer. So write in this way. Roy has many toys. Roy has many toys like toy train, toy lorry, toy car, drum, puzzle, etc. You can write other name if you want, like the puppet. Okay, question number 2. What do the other boys want to do? The other boys want to play with Roy's toys. तो इस क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा जा रहा है कि रॉय के पास क्या क्या टॉयज़ है। तो यहाँ पे आप वो टॉयज़ के नाम लिख दीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपसे पूछे जा रहे हैं व्हाट डू अदर बॉयज़ क्या चाहते थे। तो जैसे कि स्टोरी में हमने पढ़े हैं कि अदर जो बॉयज़ थे वो रॉय के टॉयज़ से खेलना चाहते थे, पर रॉय जो है वो नहीं चाहते थे अपने टॉयज़ को शेयर करना। ओके, तो उसके बाद क्या हुआ, उसके फ्रेंड्स भी उसके साथ खेलना नहीं चाहते थे। तो बाद में वो समझ गया कि अगर टॉयज़ को शेयर करेंगे तो वो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ और अच्छे से खेल भी सकते हैं। तो ऐसे ही वो समझ गए कि शेयरिंग अच्छा है। तो सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या आपको लिखना पड़ेगा कि बॉयज़ क्या चाहते थे। द अदर बॉयज़ वांट टू प्ले विथ रॉयज़ टॉयज़। अदर जो बॉयज़ थे वो रॉय के टॉयज़ से खेलना चाहते थे। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डज रॉय वांट टू डू। अब रॉय क्या चाहते थे। रॉय डजंट वांट टू शेयर हिज टॉयज़, ही वांट्स टू प्ले हाइड एंड सीक। वो हाइड एंड सीक खेलना चाहता था, क्योंकि हाइड एंड सीक खेलने में टॉय तो नहीं चाहिए होगा। ठीक है, तो ऐसे ही शायद सोच के वो हाइड एंड सीक खेलना चाहते थे। तो ये आंसर ऐसे आप लोग लिखिए। नेक्स्ट वन, नंबर 4, वाई डज रॉय क्राई। रॉय क्यों रो रहे थे। तो स्टोरी में हमने देखे हैं कि जब हाइड एंड सीक खेल रहे थे तो जब उसके सारे फ्रेंड्स छुप गए ना, तो वो किसी को ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा था, तो उस वजह से वो रो रहा था। सो राइट द आंसर, व्हेन रॉय वाज प्लेइंग हाइड एंड सीक with his friends, the boys hid and Roy could not find them, so he began to cry. Okay. Question number 5. Did the boys stay and play? जब रॉय अपना टॉय शेयर नहीं करना चाहे तो क्या जो बाकी बॉयज़ थे वो रुके और खेले नहीं। हम लोग स्टोरी में देखे कि वो लोग चले गए और क्या बोल के गए कि जब तुम शेयर करोगे, तब जब तुम खेलने के लिए रेडी रहोगे तब हम लोग आएंगे। तो वही लिखना पड़ेगा। नो, द बॉयज़ डिड नॉट स्टे एंड प्ले। They ran away and said that they might come someday when Roy would be ready to share his toys. जब रॉय अपने टॉयज़ शेयर करने के लिए रेडी रहेंगे तब वो लोग आएंगे। दिस इज़ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट डिड रॉय लर्न। सो रॉय ने क्या सीखा। इसमें क्या हम लोग देख पा रहे हैं, रॉय लर्न टू शेयर हिज टॉयज़ विथ हिज फ्रेंड्स। रॉय अपने टॉयज़ को शेयर करना सीख गए हैं। ओके, so write these question answers in your copy, literature copy. Number C, which is the odd one. So you can see, read the words given here. Number 1, drum, bat, top, road, puppet. Drum, bat, top, road, puppet. So you can see, children, these are playthings, toys, but road is not, so road is odd here. Okay. Number 2, Head, hand, face, leg, thumb. These all are organs, body parts, body parts. But book is not, so book is odd here. So find out the odd one in this given words. Make sentences with these words: hide, shut, enjoys, and met. So, children, you have to write sentences using these words. Okay, so try to write sentences in your copy using these words. And don't forget to underline the words in the sentence. So, complete this chapter. Thank you.